Ever wonder how websites like Trulia offer you seemingly endless property listings for free and still rake in serious cash? Today, we're cracking open the vault to reveal the clever monetization strategies behind Trulia and other real estate giants. First up, advertising. Think about it, countless eyes are glued to these sites daily, making them prime real estate, pun intended, for advertisers, banks, insurance companies, moving services. They all pay to get their message in front of potential home buyers. Next, premium listings. Agents can pay extra to have their properties featured prominently, ensuring their listings get seen first and more often, boosting their chances of a quicker sale. Then, there's data. These websites collect a goldmine of information on user behavior and market trends. This valuable data is packaged and sold to real estate professionals and investors looking for an edge. Finally, partnerships. Trulia collaborates with mortgage lenders, home inspectors, and other related service providers. They earn a commission or referral fee for connecting users with these services, creating a win-win situation. So, while you're enjoying free access to millions of listings, these websites are busy generating revenue through a diverse range of channels, proving that in the digital age, information is indeed a valuable currency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of online business.